This is going to be the finished product. So the pump is gonna sit down here. I'm gonna drill up through here, or melt up through here, doesn't matter. Drill these out. I'm gonna run the hose all the way up through here, and I'm gonna affix everything together. That is gonna be one of my water fountains for hopefully the hummingbirds. And the colors are just so pretty. But I don't know if I'm gonna paint these or not. I don't know. But this plate is really cute. I'm gonna have to scuff this up a little bit too, the yellow. Make it look a little rustic.